Hello friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Firefox home screen content, right? So this is very easy to do, guys. Now, all you have to do is just simply click on the burger menu here in the top right hand side, and then you want to click on settings. Now, once you're inside these settings, guys, then you want to go ahead and click on home on the left hand side. Now, once you click on home, then you're able to see the Firefox home screen content or the Firefox home content. Right now, you see that you have web search here. You can enable or disable that. You also have shortcuts there. You can go ahead and you can even disable or turn off the sponsored shortcut if you so desire. You can also change the rows as you want as well. As you can see, you have 1 to 4 rows. You can switch that up if you want as well. And you also have recent activities. So if this is disabled, you can simply check that and have it enabled. You can also play around with the rows there, and you can also choose from those recent activities what you want to show. If you want view pages, bookmark, most recent downloads, and even pages saved to pocket. So you can choose that as well if you so desire. And that's how you do it, guys. Pretty easy stuff how you can go about changing the Firefox home content within Firefox. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Andrew, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.